A very happy International Yoga Day to all of you. Hello friends, this is Preeti and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 yoga poses which is very much easy and any beginners can try it out. It provides a numerous health benefits, so definitely you should give it a shot.
Camel pose helps in relieving lower backache, helps overcome menstrual discomfort, strengthens back and shoulders. Number 5. Bow pose or dhanurasana. It helps in weight loss, cures constipation, improves blood circulation. Do try it out. Gives flexibility to back.
I want to dedicate this video to my father because he is an avid lover of yoga. He is into yoga completely. Thank you, Papa, for inculcating this into me as well. Comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.